Alright, so just a quick little unboxing video. I have a subframe mount insert from CTS Turbo that came in. Looks to be pretty nice. 1 second. Just gotta open it up. So it's a nice little mount, so it just goes right on the center, right underneath here on the subframe, right by the transmission. And apparently it's supposed to really tighten up the shift points and have less slop in the engine, if that makes any sense at all. But apparently it's supposed to be pretty easy. It's just one bolt, jack up the card, take it up, take off the bolt, put this on, put the bolt back in, that's it. So I'll install it Monday. So hopefully it's pretty easy, but looks like a good quality product. Alright, so I installed it, but all you're gonna need for tools is a ratchet, breaker bar, 21mm socket, and a light. And so you go underneath, it's right in the center. You can see it right there. You just take the breaker bar, break it loose, use the ratchet, take it out, put the mount in, put the bolt back in, and that's pretty much it. Have a good day.